Hey guys, I'm Anthony Armenia, Director of Global Comms here at Universal Destinations and Experiences. We have an amazing merchandise selection for Halloween Horror Nights this year. Everything featuring our haunted house icons from Ozzy Osbourne, one of my personal favorites here, the Prince of Darkness, Hellraiser, Hami Kuma, Evil Dead Burn. These Sinners hats based off of Smoke and Stack are probably two of my personal favorites. Also Killer Clowns and some merchandise just for Universal Studios Hollywood out here for Terrifier, Art the Clown in front of the Hollywood sign here. It's going to be a great year, so come on out and gear up for the fear.
Perfect for my guild.
What should you eat at this year's Halloween Horror Nights at Universal Studios Hollywood?